𝗏 here with a Tai Chi for Balance practice video. In this video, I'll lead you through vertical circles plus weight shift plus hip turn while we're feeling our feet and center. So we're going to have more moving parts, more alignments to keep track of, and many people initially find this move at least a little challenging, but hey, with some practice, everybody gets it. So let's begin. Settle into neutral posture, getting your basic alignment set. Feet parallel under the hips, knees unlocked, tailbone relaxed down, midriff open, occiput lifted. The basic structure. And release to let your upper back open, chest relaxes, arms hang comfortably at the sides. Sense of openness in your armpits. Drop your mind down to your feet, your hard-working feet, and feel them. Toes, balls of the feet, heels, arches, lots to feel, including the sensation of pressure in your feet. Balance that pressure between each foot and on each foot. Then move your mind back up to the top of your head, your crown point, and drop your mind straight through your body, feeling your center. And this exercise will aim to maintain our center in the vertical throughout. So with that, let's take a stance. Put a leg forward. Shift weight back. Back of your vertical circle. Turn your hips into your weighted leg. Feel your center. Ideally, it's vertical. Feel your feet. One's loaded, one's unloaded. And follow me as we shift weight forward, turn your hips, circle forward, shift weight back, turn your hips, circle back. Feeling your feet. The pressure's constantly changing as you smoothly shift weight. Feeling your center, maintaining it in the vertical. We've got some other alignments to keep track of here too. Feel your knees. You're aiming to maintain the two fundamental knee alignments. Knee over the foot, kneecap aligned with the toes. No collapsing in or out, no twisting. If you do feel that in your knees, then just turn your hips less. Then feeling your 4 points. The front of the quad on each side and your shoulders nest, keeping those aligned. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions so that the rotation comes from the legs and the waist rather than twisting the spine. Lightly stretching to the front of the circle, releasing the stretch, bending to the back. That feels good. Come to the back of your vertical circle. Change your stance, please. Shift weight back. Turn your hips into the weighted leg. Smoothly shift weight forward, circle forward. Smoothly shift weight back, circle back. Feeling your feet. Feeling your center. Feeling your knees. Feeling your 4 points. Lots to feel. But in aiming to get your awareness at your feet, center, knees, and 4 points, you're increasing your whole body awareness. Come to the back of your circle, change directions. A primary objective of Tai Chi for Balance, becoming increasingly aware of your body and where it is in space, helping you maintain an increasingly more stable structure. That's the idea. Two more. Last one for now. Come to the back of your vertical circle, smoothly back to neutral. That concludes this practice video. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one.